Hey guys, I'm Almar, this is Marco.
So guys, we just want to thank these guys for subscribing and liking our videos. We, at Those Bros, really appreciate and love you guys. Without you, this wouldn't have happened. So, what are we going to do today?
Okay guys, so seeing as it's Easter weekend, with Good Friday yesterday, and Easter Sunday tomorrow.
Monday.
Sunday.
On the internet I read it's Monday. But
Whatever Easter at the place wherever you stay. So we created a little clip and trailer and footage for you guys to make like a short movie, and it features this chocolate bunny, my brother, seeing as he wasn't in the video last week, and these little guys, Mighty Beans. We have the... No we don't. Okay, but anyway, these little... Yes, and friends. Mighty Beans and friends.
You're throwing around my toys.
Okay. These little guys, and we created a little footage for you, and we're gonna show that to you now. Here it is.
ねじ兄さんの子。じゃあほれゴールデンだ。
Okay guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed that clip. Please, if you did like it, we enjoyed it so much. As you can see, Bunny Man didn't survive. But anyway, please like the video, subscribe to our channel, share the video, and I hope you guys have an amazing Easter weekend with the family and things like that. So, after my brothers finish eating, we're gonna give you guys a bro five.
Even get to